Have you ever felt the urge to completely change your handwriting? Like you love what you're using, but then suddenly you want something totally different. Well, that's me. Again, today I'm going to dive into why I constantly change up my handwriting, what I've used before, what I want to change to now, and why this might actually be a good thing. So if you've ever thought about switching up your penmanship but held back, this one's for you. So this is what I'm currently using. It's neat, it's functional, but something about it feels a little off. I feel like I want more flow, more personality. Have you ever looked at your own handwriting and thought, this just isn't me anymore? I've actually changed my handwriting multiple times over the years. Sometimes it's big and uppercase, other times it's small, lowercase and minimalist print, or it's straight up and down, and other times it's slanted. And then there are those experimental phases where I try something totally new. Each time my handwriting reflects a different version of me, which got me thinking, why do I do this? And why do we as planner and stationery lovers feel the need to switch it up? So I started digging deeper and I realized changing my handwriting is a form of self-expression. It's like changing up your wardrobe or your home decor. Sometimes we just outgrow certain styles, and that's okay. And it's also about inspiration. Maybe we saw someone's beautiful script and thought, I want to try that too. And let's not forget habit shifts. Sometimes our writing adapts to new tools, new routines, or even new mindsets. So let's look at the psychology behind changing your handwriting. Now, even if your handwriting works just fine, changing it can be tied to self-identity, cognitive engagement, emotional expression, or personal growth. And here's why. Now, your handwriting is unique, almost like a fingerprint of your personality. Changing it can be a subconscious way of reinventing yourself or aligning it with an ideal version of who you want to be. You might have a desire for self-improvement. Now, many associate neater handwriting with being more put together, artistic, or focused. It can also be a symbol of a fresh start, like changing your hairstyle or wardrobe. Modifying handwriting can make a mark on a new phase in your life. And it can be an aesthetic alignment. If you admire certain style, minimalistic, elegant, bold, your handwriting can reflect that too. Another reason for changing up your handwriting could be cognitive engagement or brain stimulation. Handwriting changes go beyond appearance. They actually can help retrain your brain and help with your motor skills. So it can help boost adaptability. Writing in a new style forms a new neural connection, enhancing that brain flexibility or neuroplasticity. It can also improve your coordination. Handwriting adjustments refine fine motor skills and muscle memory. Plus, it also encourages mindfulness. Focusing on letter formation can be a meditative and relaxing form of activity. Another reason why people might change their handwriting is for an emotional expression and control. Your handwriting can reflect emotions, stress levels, and energy. People change their handwriting to regain a sense of control during chaotic times. It can also match their mood or aesthetic from soft, cursive, or structured print. Plus, it can express emotions subconsciously, similar to journaling. Also, there might just be a need for novelty or change. We naturally crave variety, and handwriting adjustments can make writing feel fresh and exciting again. It can offer a small but satisfying sense of achievement, and it could be a fun challenge like perfecting a new skill. Plus, it can also have practical and functional benefits. Different handwriting styles can serve different purposes. Fast, simple print for quick notes, elegant cursive for journaling or personal letters, bold, structured styles for headings and to-do lists. Now, if you do use digital planners, improving your handwriting can enhance stylist written notes. Now, changing your handwriting could also be an aesthetic and creative expression. Now, for planner lovers and stationery enthusiasts, handwriting is part of their personal brand. Refining it can make journaling and planning more visually appealing. You can align your handwriting with inspiring styles seen in bullet journaling or calligraphy, and it can also improve clarity if your handwriting is difficult to read. So, should you change your own handwriting? Well, it depends. If it works for you, there's no need. But if you're doing it for self expression, creativity, or fun, well, why not? So, let me talk about some pros and cons of changing your handwriting. So, for pro, it could be a creative refresh. Changing your handwriting can keep your writing exciting and it can make your daily tasks like journaling or planning more engaging. If you love aesthetic note taking or journaling, a fresh style can inspire you to write more. A pro for changing up your handwriting could be better readability. Adjusting your handwriting can make it easier to read both for yourself and for others. And a clearer style is great for planners, lists, and study notes. Another pro can be for self-expression and identity. Your handwriting is uniquely yours. Why not evolve it? A change in handwriting can feel like a reflection of personal growth, creativity, or a fresh start. Changing your handwriting can also increase focus and mindfulness. Handwriting changes force you to slow down and be more intentional. Plus, the process can be meditative, like doodling or calligraphy. So, what could be the cons of changing your handwriting? One, it takes time to adjust. A new handwriting style won't feel natural right away. And it can be frustrating when your hand doesn't follow the new style automatically. It's also going to be a muscle memory reset. Your hand is used to forming letters a certain way, so changing it can feel awkward. And your writing may feel slow at first as your brain and your muscles adjust. And changing your handwriting can cause inconsistency and identity crisis. If you change style too often, you might struggle to find your handwriting. Now, your handwriting may also look different depending on the pen, the paper, or your mood. Another con is that it just may not stick. Without enough practice, your handwriting may naturally revert back to your old style. And some people may realize their original handwriting suits them best. And of course, changing up your handwriting can affect speed and efficiency. Switching up styles can slow down your note taking or daily writing tasks. Now, cursive writing might be harder for quick lists, while print might be less artistic for journaling. So let me quickly show you the handwriting style I'm switching to. So this is where I'm at. I want something smoother, a little bit more relaxed, slanted, because that's naturally the way my wrist falls on the paper, but make sure that it's still functional for everyday use. Now, I've been testing this style for a few hours and I have used it in the past, and I think I'm going to commit to it. Well, at least for now. So what do you think? Have you ever changed up your handwriting, or do you feel like you're stuck with the style you have? Make sure to drop a comment below and let me know. And if you love all things planning, stationery, and self-improvement, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next one.